Hello my fellow riders, Sweet Scoots here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the bikers out there today. Some bad news on this bike here. The owner ran out of money and doesn't want us to finish it. Being a professional detailing company, we love bikes, all bike. What I'm going to share with you here is a plastic conditioner that is mind-blowing. It is the best there is on the market. You will absolutely love this stuff. Now, it not only works on plastic, which your bike is loaded with, but it works on rubber, and it is a UV protectant. It is highly concentrated, so it does not take very much of it whatsoever. All right, all the tools will be in the show more of the video description. If you don't know where the show more is, it's that little two-worded area that says show more to the bottom left of the video that you're watching. Every video has it. Now, all you have to do with this stuff, it's so simple, and it lasts for, I can't tell you how long it lasts. It lasts and lasts and lasts. It is an amazing product. All we use to clean it is ammonia window cleaner. That's it. And this stuff is very easy to apply. You just put a tiny little bit right on your cloth. That's all you really need, is that little bit right there. Now, I'll show you some other things that we've done so you get an idea, but watch this. The plastic actually absorbs it. So if you have any faded plastic, put it on, leave it on for a while. If you want to get a hair dryer out and make it even nicer, that's what we do. We'll actually use a hair dryer, warm it up 10-15 minutes. Now there's a huge difference there. So all of your control areas here, all these, anything plastic. Let's go down and do that center section right there that says Yamaha on it. Talk about a rubber conditioner as well. The stuff is amazing. And it's all pretty nasty and dirty. You can use it on your windshield, on your plastic lenses. You just clean it with your ammonia window cleaner and it will be awesome. Got a Rottweiler that's as nosy as they can be. He's always got to be around. We love him. His name is Chopper, believe it or not. And you can use a Q-tip to get into the tight areas. Now I can still use what I have on this cloth to do this area right here. And it darkens it down back to its original color. So you can use it on colored plastic as well. It just makes it the original color. But talk about shiny and nice without too much gloss. I'm telling you guys and gals, you're gonna love this stuff on your bike. And all you do is put it on, let it set. Like I said, use a hair dryer if you want to warm it up a little bit. We let it set about an hour in the sun, maybe less, and all you do is buff it up. That's beautiful. Now this is a motorhome that we did the trim on, and you can see where we stopped with it, and we did this 3 weeks ago maybe, just to show people how awesome it works. You can see it's all faded right there. Now we stopped over here. And we stopped up there, but it's absolutely beautiful. And this is a plastic coated aluminum trim. And this is another spot right here we did 3 weeks ago. And it's been through numerous rainstorms and washings. Ready for a wash again. The pollen is out big time right now, but this is what it does. You're going to love this stuff. Ride safe, my friends.